Hello everyone. Are you wondering what finna means? Let's explore. Finna is a slang contraction of fixing to, meaning going to or about to. It's commonly used in casual conversation to indicate that someone is preparing to do something or is on the verge of taking action. The term is rooted in African American vernacular English, AV, and has since spread into broader usage, especially in informal speech and online communication. For example, I'm finna go to the store means I'm about to go to the store. Finna captures the essence of something that is about to happen, serving as a quick and easy way to convey immediate intent or future plans. In essence, finna is a shorthand way to express what someone is getting ready to do, emphasizing the immediacy of the action. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.